Is your TikTok live stream getting low viewers, no engagement, and almost zero interaction? What if you could auto-comment and auto-like your TikTok live stream, instantly boosting engagement and attracting real viewers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to auto-comment TikTok live stream to boost engagement using MKT Tik Pro. Let's be honest, TikTok only pushes live streams that already have engagement. If your live has no likes, no comments, and no interaction in the first minutes, TikTok simply does not recommend it. Manual seeding is slow, asking friends to comment is unreliable, and doing this for multiple live streams every day, almost impossible. That's why we built the TikTok live stream seeding system inside MKT Tik Pro. This tool allows you to auto-like, auto-comment, and auto-interact on TikTok live stream completely automatically and at scale. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1. Open MKT Tik Pro. Step 2. Go to Seeding function and choose the type of seeding is live stream. Step 3. Enter your TikTok live stream link. Step 4. Add your comment list. You can use spintax like this. Great live. Amazing product. This is so useful. Step 5. Choose the number of accounts. For example, 10, 20, or even 100 accounts. Step 6. Set delay between actions. For example, 10 to 30 seconds. Step 7. Click Start. Now, MKT Tik Pro will automatically send likes and comments to your TikTok live stream, safely and continuously. With MKT Tik Pro live stream seeding, you can auto-comment on TikTok Live, auto-like live stream automatically, run multiple TikTok accounts together to boost one live stream, add unlimited comment templates, use spintax so every comment looks different, set delays and interaction speed, simulate real human behavior, increase visibility, trust, and algorithm push, boost engagement for sales live streams, affiliate lives, and brand lives. This turns your live stream into a magnet for viewers and buyers. MKT Tik Pro uses real device simulation, safe delays, proxy support, and random behavior. There is no API abuse, no spam patterns. Everything runs just like a real human on TikTok, but 100 times faster. If you want to auto-comment TikTok live stream to boost engagement, increase viewers, and drive more sales automatically, then MKT Tik Pro live stream seeding is exactly what you need. Click the link in the description to get a demo or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp for setup and support. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok automation tutorials. I'm Hoang Mamba Tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.